Here's an update on the Samsung 6300 BTU air conditioner, and the reason I'm doing all these air conditioner videos is because I miss summer and I'm tired of winter, so I may as well just film some air conditioners. I got this last fall and I cleaned it up real good, straightened the condenser coil fins, and I put some drain holes in it. And the reason I did the drain holes on this air conditioner is because I didn't want the rust on the bottom getting any worse. So I put a couple little drain holes right there, and I also put a bigger drain hole on the other side of the condenser coil, so hopefully we won't have any more corrosion. I hadn't put the drain holes in before I did the last video of it, so this is the latest update. I do have to replace this side panel because this one is damaged, but the other one is fine. Condenser coil is in much better shape than it was before. It's nice and clean inside. Has a Samsung compressor in it, which is pretty hard to see, but that's what it has. You can sort of see it better now. And there's the fan motor. This one looks just like the 10,200 BTU version that I have, except this one is physically smaller. And this one is not a slide out like the bigger one is. But the fan motor is made by the same manufacturer, and so is the compressor. So let's start it up on fan only. That's on high. 0.68 amps and 78 watts. Go to low. 0.55 amps, 62 watts, and medium, 0.62 amps, 71 watts. Here's the control panel. This one, there are remotes for these, but I didn't get the remote with this one. I do have the remote for the 10,200 BTU though. So got a power button, temperature up and down, fan speed, timer, sleep mode, energy saver, and then you get cool mode, dry, and fan. Compressor should be ready to start. Go to low. And we're currently at 3.04 amps and 331 watts. After a few minutes of running on low, it's at 49 degrees and 4.17 watts. 4.17 amps and 473 watts. That compressor sounds just like the bigger one. Currently at 4.47 on low. 506 watts, and 44 degree air. Here's the information. Rated at 590 watts, 5.4 amps. I go up to medium, and it's now at 4.55. 512 watts. I'll go up to high. 4.52. 511 watts. And that's where it's staying on high. 4.45 amps. 506 watts.